Market depth shows all the details of the selected contract. Scripts like open, high, low, close, volume, best buy price and quantity, best sell. Adding script is easy in MarketWatch. User can simply search the name of the company or symbol. System will give suggestion. This is a global search bar that allows user to select every contract from equity, futures, or options of underlying. The Add button helps in adding script or index into MarketWatch. Remove button helps in removing script or index. User also have an option of Delete button to remove script or index from MarketWatch. Start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.